Good evening, students, parents, and staff, and welcome to the 2019-2020 Open House here at Corporate Landing Elementary School. My name is Mrs. Kuhn, and I am the principal of Corporate Landing. I am a 30-year veteran in education with 29 years spent here with Virginia Beach City Public Schools, and this is my 21st year as a school administrator. Mrs. Niehoff is our school's assistant principal, and she started her third year with us this fall. To let you know some of Mrs. Niehoff's duties, she coordinates all of our special education programming and facilitates our student response team. She also works closely with the Department of Transportation to assist you with any transportation issues. In addition, she works with students who may be having behavioral difficulties and coordinates our discipline program. Please know that if either of us can be of any assistance to you, we welcome you to contact us by calling the main office. We are excited to welcome back our returning families and also to welcome our many new families. It is our goal to provide a safe and welcoming environment for you and your child. For those of you who are returning to Corporate Landing, you know that student safety is paramount to all of us. Please know that we welcome visitors in our school, and we hope that you will spend time volunteering here. We ask that you sign in at the security desk in our foyer and receive a visitor's badge, even when you are here for lunch. If your child is leaving early, we ask that you visit our security desk and follow our school's procedures. Valid identification is required. Please be sure to update your child's registration card in the main office anytime a phone number changes or when you want to add or delete someone to pick up your child. Remember, we cannot release a child to someone who is not listed on your child's registration card. Did you receive a phone message from me about these open house evenings? We regularly utilize Alert Now. This is a parent notification system that allows our school to remind parents about special events and dates at school. It also allows the school district to send important information quickly via phone and/or an email account to parents and guardians of students about emergency situations and school delays or cancellations due to inclement weather. We look forward to continued communication between home and school. It is important that you assist us by keeping phone numbers and email addresses updated with our school. In addition, have you heard about Parent Portal? This is a powerful online tool for parents and guardians of all students to monitor their progress in school. You can register for Parent Portal by clicking on the link on our school's website or on the division's website at www.vbschools.com. Hope Sheffield is our registrar, and you can contact her during the regular school day should you have questions regarding any of our school's procedures or registration. In addition, several volunteers from our PTA are here this evening. Please visit the cafeteria following open house as our PTA has a craft and refreshments available. You can also learn about the PTA membership or about the many ways in which you can volunteer at Corporate Landing. Our PTA president is Jessica LaRue. Remember to stop by and introduce yourself, and you can find out some of the ways that you, as parents, can support our school. In closing, let me thank you for attending our open house this evening. I would like to turn over the rest of the evening to your child's teacher. Enjoy a fantastic year at Corporate Landing Elementary School. Pride of the Beach.